Week 6, Journal 3. There's a data-driven world in education, that's for sure. Some suggest that educators are drowning in it. Do I agree with it? Well, it does feel a bit overwhelming that we're drowning in data in the sense that it takes time to train students how to use the computers to take the assessments online. But really, they're just kids. They need a lot of help. They often know the answers, but they need training to use the computer system. But they are young and not proficient yet at the computer system. So valuable classroom time is taken away to prep for the big state tests, but we really need that data. So it's a compromise. We've got to do it. We have to make proper decisions based on data for our school. Also, so often I feel the emphasis is on getting students proficient versus seeing all their amazing progress, especially for our EL and special needs students. My son is handicapped, and so often I feel like the data result for him is way behind. And of course, he has cerebral palsy. It affects every part of his body and life, making school extremely difficult in comparison of non-disabled students. However, I wish they would include in the data that he can now walk and move and be more independent for a better life. For in all honesty, that's far more important for me to have an independent life. A really good life. For school and independent, especially after the years of therapy. And just be proud that the data is for life. A miracle. What if it was see? Me, that's data with. Want to be that top. Often though, the data is just a number. It doesn't give the whole story of our kiddos. For example, a kid might have a low score, but the family is currently homeless. They live in some crazy hard times, so actually we're very proud that they're doing as well as they are considering their situation. That is helpful to provide numbers so we can get ideas for improvement, but not our only source of information to help our children. We have to take care of the community and take in their culture and their socioeconomic factors and education policies and rules as well. Lastly, it's asking about the data, the outcomes, and the outcomes for our students. Yes, our school reviews the data to figure out where students are doing well. We know that many of our students do pretty well in state test series. Maybe we can have a line on the Saturday